Always disconnect appliances before working on them. First, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are 4 screws to remove. Then slightly pull the control panel, lift it up and carefully flip it back. Remove the metal clips by releasing them with a screwdriver. Disconnect the door switch wire harness. Now to remove the washer's body, simply tilt the body towards you and pull it back. Release the metal couplers and move them away from the pump. Then disconnect the water hoses. Be ready for some water to come out. Release the clips from the pump and remove the pump. Remove the screws located on the clips holding the motor in place. Disconnect the motor wire harness. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 2 clips from the motor. Then carefully remove the motor. Remove the rubber part from the coupler. Now unscrew the screws from the motor mount and remove the mount. Using hammer claw, prom out the old coupler. Install a new coupler and force it in place. Make sure not to push it too deep. Do the same with the motor's coupler. Insert the rubber piece to the machine side. Reinstall the motor mount. Align the holes on the rubber with the coupler teeth on the motor side. Carefully reinstall the motor and hold it placed with the top clip. Then place back the lower clip and screw the screws back. Reconnect the motor wire harness. Then, align the motor shaft with the pump and install the pump. Place the clips back on the pump. Reconnect the water hoses and tighten the coupler back on the pump. Install the body by laying in a reverse motion to removing it. Make sure the body is aligned with the metal teeth located at the bottom of the machine. It is okay if the body is slightly shaking at this stage, but it's not supposed to move freely from its base. Insert the metal clips back to their place and apply pressure until they are fully inside the body. You should hear a pretty loud snap sound. Flip back the control panel and slightly push it back. Install back the 4 screws located at the back of the machine. You can find a link to the pump at the description of this video.